Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Lumen5. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in lumen5.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Lumen5 website. Now from the home page, click on the sign up free button or the sign up button at the top right corner to proceed with creating your new account. Now once you're inside the sign up portal, just type in your full name followed by your work email address. Then type in your preferred account password and then click on create account. Once you click on this, you will be welcomed to your account and you will be asked to provide a few information about your goals. You can skip this by clicking on the skip button and now you will be able to use the Lumen5 application right away. If you are asked to verify your account, just check your inbox for your email address that you used to sign up and click on the link within provided by Lumen5. And that is how easy it is to sign up and create your new account on Lumen5. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.